All right, let's get started. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining Sliver Bullet Trading Systems webinar. It's your path to financial freedom, and I will show you how. I'm Rao K from Sliver Trades. Before we get started, please glance at this disclaimer. You should be aware of the risk involved and the hypothetical nature of the presentation. And we do not promise anything. Everything depends on your education and hard work. So let's understand our basic human requirements, basic human needs. We all quest for freedom, specifically financial freedom. And what that freedom means. The freedom means we want to be able to make decisions without any financial constraints. We want freedom to travel, own a home, and pursue passions. We'll see the role of trading in achieving the financial freedom. So this presentation is going to be about 45 minutes, which will include a demo of the Sliver Bullet Pro software. And then we'll open the house for any Q&A. So let's explore the possibilities, what trading means and what it means to learn trading. Learning to trade requires time and financial investment because trading is complex and it requires certain skills, certain expertise. There are no guarantees in trading, and that's because this is a probabilistic game. We have to have probabilities on our side. And there are some common trading mistakes which traders, especially newbie traders, often make. And if we avoid those common trading mistakes, we improve the probabilities of winning trades. So we'll learn how that can be achieved in the following slides. So how to avoid those costly trading mistakes? That can be avoided by using only high probability trading strategies. There are some trading strategies which we need to understand, learn, and wait for the right setups to take those trades based on the strategies. And then, as much as possible, we must automate the trading process because there could be human errors if we take trades manually. So as much automation is possible, the better it is for trading. And then we should try as much as possible to trade other people's money. So when we trade other people's money, we do not get entangled emotionally with our trading position, and that helps us make better decisions. So trading other people's money is important. And we must trade during the right market hours. By right market hours, I mean in the market, you should be aware of what to expect from that market hour. Any time is right, any hour is right market hour. If we know what happens in that market hour, what to expect in that market hour. So we'll delve into that a little bit more in the later slides. Now, futures as your best financial move. We must understand the role of futures in making trades. Just give me a second. I just need to step back and I'll come back right back. All right, I'm back. Sorry, I had to step away from my desk. So we were talking about choosing futures as the best financial instrument. Why futures? People normally trade stocks, some trade options as well. But for our Sliver Bullet trading system, we chose futures as our instrument because contracts are customizable. Um, it has increased tremendous liquidity, and we can leverage and control large positions with uh, futures. And futures are quite diversified. It's available for different asset classes across markets. So futures is what we recommend. Now, how to get started? Um, to get started with futures trading, all you have to do is open a trading account, and then install Sliver Bullet trading system on that platform and practice strategies mentioned in Sliver Trades Academy that you get access to when you become our member. In more detail, the Sliver Bullet trading system includes 6-step process. The process is to install Sliver Bullet software on the futures trading platform. Our preferred platform and where this software works is NinjaTrader. So we install the software on NinjaTrader platform. We practice automated strategies on a simulated account first. You understand the tool, you understand the market dynamics. We uh, teach you strategies through Sliver Trades Academy. So you will learn all those and practice in simulated account without risking your money or anybody else's money. Once you are comfortable with that, you sign up for a funded trading account. These are subscription-based trading accounts where other people uh, uh, like to put money in line for you to make profits for them. And of course, major profit, major share of the profit stays with you. They take a cut. But you sign up for that funded trading account to first pass the evaluation. They want to see that you can trade profitably with their money before they give you actual money. So you get a evaluation trading account from them for a monthly fee. And then you step number four is you pass the evaluation. Passing evaluation is easier with automated trading, and Sliver Bullet software automates your trading. So using Sliver Bullet trading software, you pass the evaluation, and then you move to step number 5, which is basically getting a paid trading account. Once you pass the evaluation, you get a paid trading account. And to convert evaluation to a paid trading account, you pay a nominal fee, one-time fee. And once you get paid trading account, you build a threshold. That's I would like to call it loss threshold. And once you build a loss threshold, which is same as passing the evaluation, any profit above that will be yours, minus 10% commission that the trading account provider keeps for themselves. So this way, you have a working asset that from where you can generate daily income. Now, once you have one paid trading account, you try to acquire another paid trading account, then another, then another. So step 6 is basically to build a portfolio of funded accounts. So through these funded accounts, you can trade different markets. You can trade all the accounts simultaneously through trade copiers, and even if you make small profit in each account, they add up, and each day you can easily make a substantial amount of money that can be, that you can get, you can live off. So this is a 6-step process. And let me talk about the Sliver Bullet software. What's the potential of this software? The software works in all types of markets: trending market, reversing market, sideways market. It has strategies for all of them. You can scale in and scale out of the position automatically using this software. Meaning, if your position is making loss, you can average in and come out for a break even or a small loss. If your trade's in profit, you can add more, and let the profits run. So automatically scale in and scale out. You can monitor performance real time. You do not have to switch um, screens or windows to see what you are doing. Everything is in front of your eyes on your screen in one single chart. On the chart where the software is loaded that you are using for trading, you see the total trades taken, won trades, lost trades, total profit, unrealized profit, the account you are trading, number of contracts you have traded, number of positions you have. Everything is on one screen. And then we provide assistance with getting a funded trading account. Uh, that's part of the system. And finally, we provide you training and live demos uh, with the system, so you become familiar with the strategies and start using them on your own. Now, what futures instrument we use? There are many future instruments, but our preferred instruments are EES, which is for S&P 500, NQ for NASDAQ 100, RTY for Russell 2000, YM for Dow 30, CL for oil, GC for gold. And the equivalent micros, which are basically 1/10 the size of mini futures contracts, are MES, MNQ, M2K, MYM, MCL, MGC. Now let's understand different market conditions. So if you have traded, you might already be familiar with how the market works. There are basically 6 market conditions that we like to name. One is let me grab my pen here so I can draw and show you. So there could be uptrending market. Market could be uptrending in a very narrow range like this. It could be uptrending, making swings, wide swings like this. Market could be sideways, making swings. Market could be sideways in a very narrow range like this. Market could be downtrending in a narrow range. Market could be making swings and trending downwards this way. So we can number them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 different market types. So our software can trade in any of these markets. All 6 markets are tradable. However, in our training, what we tell our members is that you avoid market number condition number 4. This one is to be avoided. Why? The reason is when the market is very tight and going in a narrow range, it's going to eventually break out. When we don't know, when it will break out, we don't know. But when it breaks out, it goes up like this, and then it comes down like this suddenly. Why? Because breakouts often fail. So if you take a long trade here and put a stop here, your stop will be hit. And if it has violently gone down, you think that, okay, now the trend is known, and you take a short position here and put a stop here, the market reverses again violently, and it starts keeps going higher this way. So, and then it has taken the stops on both the directions, and you have lost money, a good amount of your portfolio, perhaps. So it's good to avoid this this market number 4. and be aware. We can always trade. We always trade these markets, but we are very, very careful. We try to keep our position small. We try to not average down and try to come out of the position if it goes against us. We just either sit on hands or take stops if we think we got wrong. So, but the best thing is to avoid, recognize this market condition and avoid trading in this condition. Now, I'll summarize this in the next slide. Uh, so this is what I drew with pen in the previous slide, and this is another representation of what I was talking about. Just to keep in mind, avoid market condition number 4. Now, let's understand the DNA of the market. So in the previous slide, we talked about the market condition. Now, we should understand the market position as well. So before that, we need to understand the DNA of the market. So what's the DNA of the market? So market doesn't go up in one straight line. It even if the wavy patterns that I showed in my previous slide, there is a pattern to it. There is a mini pattern underlying the larger pattern. That mini pattern is sorry, is like price goes up, comes down, goes up. So this is the mini pattern. Price always moves in this fashion. Or it would go up, come down, or come down, go up. And in between there is a joint to fill the gaps here. So if and again, these are not straight lines here. I have drawn straight lines, but these are not just straight lines. These are like curves. If we smoothen them, if we smoothen the price lines, they are basically curves. So when I say DNA of the market, this is the DNA. This is the smallest unit of a price movement and repeatable price movement. So in the human DNA or animal DNA, the representation is double helix. If I had to refresh your memory, this is how the DNA is drawn in a double helix form. So I haven't drawn the best way, but hope you get the idea. So human DNA is represented using double helix. For markets DNA, this S-like curve is, inverse S curve is the DNA of the market. Price moves this way. So now we can join multiple units of this DNA and draw the pattern as to how market moves. Now you see, this is how the market moves. So now this diagram that you see on the screen is basically drawn using the understanding of market's DNA. So market goes up and down in wavy pattern. Now if we draw moving averages, so if the diagram shows 233 simple moving average and 21 simple moving average, this is how it will look like, typical market. So now in the previous slide, what I showed you, the market can go up in a narrow range. It could go up in narrow range like this, or it could come down in a wavy pattern like this, right? And it could remain sideways like this, or it could remain sideways in a very narrow range this way. It could come down in a narrow range like this, or it could go up in a wavy pattern this way. So the point is, in the previous slide we showed market condition, and if when we juxtapose that market condition with the position of that market condition in this chart, we can predict the behavior of the market. We can predict what will come next. What will come next? What will happen when the market is about to turn? So one thing important to keep in mind is when market has moved in a particular direction significantly, in a particular direction, if it has moved, it becomes volatile or and sideways. So market has gone up. Now what is next? Before it makes a turn, it becomes volatile and sideways. So you see here a sideways market, volatile market. If the market has come down significantly, now it's before making turn, it's going to be volatile and sideways. This is if we know, if we remember this part, then we can take advantage of this knowledge and decide what to trade during that time and what's going to happen next. So this is very important for us to understand. When the market has moved in a particular direction, it will either become volatile or stay sideways. So we'll see in the example next. What happened. It happened. This thing happened yesterday. With the ES contract, that's a contract for S&P. So next I will show you a demo where we'll try to use the knowledge that we have gained and put in use to recognize what will happen next. So I will take you to NinjaTrader and show the demo, and we'll understand how this um, um, how to recognize this pattern in the market and take trades. So here again I will so these are these numbers are basically the market conditions that I had showed. So we try to avoid market number condition number 4, this number 4 here, and we'll come back to this slide to see how it matches the market condition that was yesterday at the opening. So before that, we'll before this slide, we'll just do a demo. Let me fire up NinjaTrader. So this is NinjaTrader platform, and I will use the playback data. So this is ES, S&P 500 contract, and here I will load the software, which is basically Sliver Bullet Pro software. And here you see different options. We can set up or define ATMs, ATM 1, 2, and 3. These are nothing but trade settings, automated trade management settings. Here you can define the stop loss and profit take targets, predefine those settings. And for the overall session, you can define max loss and profit target. So here by default, we set it at 1300 and 650. So let me, for this example, I want to take quite a few trades. So I will set the target of $2,000 and I will enable the software. And then here, this is a timer. We are February 23rd, that's yesterday, right a minute before the market open. So here there are the top row colorful bar you see is the user interface of Sliver Bullet Pro software. There are different ATMs. ATMs are basically the automated trade management settings. So it gives us 5 ticks of profit uh, in each trade. And these long and short are the automated trading buttons. So I will keep them on. And these pink buttons are basically different strategies. So I will see what strategy to use. This is stop button, very important for us to know when trade doesn't go according to our plan. We take a loss by pressing stop button. And buy sell is a manual buy sell button. You can take trades manually as well. Then there are scale in. There is a button for scaling in, scaling out. You can convert a chart to a Heikin-Ashi chart, which gives a smoother directional, view of a market. And then there is aggressive mode and defensive mode. So we use this when we want to take aggressive trades. Now I'll start the timer here and I'll wait for the market to open and see where the market opens. And I can speed up the timer. I made it 4x so that trades are taken 4x faster. Maybe I'll make it 8x faster. Okay, so market has opened. I don't know where I don't see the market. So let's see. Oh wow, it was out of the chart. So market opened out of the chart. You see here, market closed here yesterday and opened high. So what it means? So I consider this as a wavy flat market yesterday at the time of close. At this last an hour of the market was wavy. So if I compare it with my diagram here, it is a wavy market condition number 3. This is what it was, at the time of the market close. Now market opened high. It opened high somewhere here. It's so what shall I expect? Shall I expect it to continue going up or do something else? So let me draw diagram here. So you see here, everything is wavy. Now market opened here. So what it means? Can I fill this gap like this and say that market condition number 1 was achieved and it is going to perhaps become volatile and stay sideways or about to make turns? Let's see. That's my guess. I don't know whether it's going to go up further or become sideways. So here I have to take a guess, but here I see it went up by 15 points. So 15 points is huge for ES. So I'll assume that it's going to be a wavy market here, at least for next half an hour or so. So what I'm going to do, I just do, this is normally we don't trade this way, but here for the demo purpose, I will blindly take trades in both the directions. I will use contrarian strategy, and I will run the tool.
Order target filled.
So I just made $162 in just a matter of seconds. It took a trade here and hit the target. So let me slow it down so you can see what happened. Here you see $162 in just a matter of seconds in that software. So let me slow it down so you can see what's when it takes a trade, you know.
Order filled.
Okay, so a trade was taken, and it's already profitable with $87. I'm running it at 3x speed, and a couple more ticks, a trade will close because I'm trading with 3 contracts here because ATM3 is defined for 3 contracts. And let's see if we get a profit here. It's a short trade, mind you.
Target filled.
All right. So short trade, profitable. And here you see on the top, you see it shows um, what price the trade was taken. Now the position is flat. So market is coming down. So now let's see. 43 TL. Do you see that 43 TL? So it gives you an indication as to a trade is coming in. What 43 ticks to long. It so in 43 ticks there will be a long trade. That's what it says. That's what it means. So let's see. 40 ticks.
Order filled.
Okay, so there was a trade here. It's again a short trade, and uh, we'll see if it becomes profitable. I'm increasing the speed so we can see the results faster. It's not coming down, but we'll wait. Means it just came down almost and ran away. We keep a good room for stop so that if we need to manage our trades, we can manage using scaling. I'm not going to demonstrate.
filled.
Okay, so here is another profitable trade. So 3 profitable trades, $162 each because the target is 5 ticks. So I'm close to $500 now. So let's keep going. And I'm taking the
Order
trades
filled.
blindly because I have assumed the market is going to be a wavy market. And it looks like it's a wavy market, as we had seen in our predicted according to our diagram, right? So in the wavy market, we can take trades in both the directions. So here I have that's what I'm doing.
Target filled.
So again, fourth trade is also profitable,
Order
650. So now market has come down. So it has taken a long trade. So wave is getting stretched. So it's taking a direction. So ideally, I should not be trading bidirectional. But however, I will just continue doing what I'm doing.
Target
So
filled.
this is also profitable.
Order filled. Target filled.
All right, it's going
Order
back up.
filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled.
So $1,300 in profit, 8 trades. And I have set the target at 2,000. So let me see if we can reach 2,000. So a market is still in the wavy pattern, but slightly going down.
Order filled.
And S&P is a very slow moving uh, instrument, and which is also good. We don't get sudden spikes too often. Uh, Market is going away from us slightly, but let's see. Um, I'm not scaling in today. I normally show scaling in also. Using scaling in, I would have been profitable by now, but I am just want to show you the market turns today.
Target
All
filled.
right, this profitable. So market is still in that wavy pattern.
Order filled. Target filled.
So let me erase some of these so you can see what's going on here. Okay. So 10 trades, $1,625 here, all profitable. So
Order filled.
ideally, I should not be taking long trades because market is slightly going down.
Target filled.
All right, 1950. Oops, I wanted to stop, but 12 trades, 1950, just for $50. I don't want to take any more risk, but it is running at 20x speed, and it took a trade, so I could not stop it. Let's see.
Target filled.
All right, it has achieved its target, $22,112 from 13 trades. And here you see total profit target reached, total profit target reached. So it means it shows that it will stop. My target that I set has been reached, and it will stop. It will not take any more trades hereafter until I reload the session. So let me erase everything and on the chart, and then let's analyze uh, what has happened here. So in this picture, I showed that when the market is in a wavy sideways pattern, it will break out to upside or lower side. And once it has gone up significantly, um, it is ripe to become volatile or sideways, and then perhaps go down. And here you see this is a picture perfect example. It cannot be better than this that we saw yesterday with this chart. So market was wavy. That was around yesterday's close. Uh, it was wavy. Let me get this right. Okay. Market was wavy here. And then um, you can see these are SMA 233 SMA, and this is 21 SMA lines. All right. And here it was wavy, and market opened here. So I have assumed that it has gone up. You can see it has gone up. Now, after it has gone up, it could either go up further, or if it has gone up for sufficient amount, it will become wavy as we have it in the diagram, right? Um, it has gone up 15 points, so I have assume that that's a big move for S&P, and it's going to be wavy, and it exactly was like that. And that wavy pattern continued to the downside here. Here, this 233 SMA meets, and the wavy pattern continued to the downside, how I showed in the picture here. Um, so, so the wavy pattern continues downwards. That's exactly what happened. Here again, the 233 SMA line could be in an angle. It's just a representation. The market could be like this. 233 line could be like this. Market could be um, like this. 233 line could be like this, steep. But this, for representation, we have I have shown it as mm, a horizontal line, but 233 line could be angled as well, and that's exactly what we see here uh, uh, in this picture. Market is uh, market was wavy, then we filled it with uptrending market, and then it was wavy, and it kept on going, and this 233 line is in angle. It's in angle. So this was a perfect picture perfect example that we saw that happened yesterday, just yesterday. It's February 23rd. So from 8:30 when the market was open till 9:43, hour and 15 minutes, we made $2,000 profit. So uh, every day is not going to be like that, to be for full disclosure, but this is the potential. This is the potential. As you understand this patterns more and trade more, you will get a good handle of how to read the market and how to trade using Sliver Bullet Pro software. Now, uh, going back to the presentation, uh, let me. So how this software helps you? So it's basically software helps the same way as the training wheels in a bicycle or the guide rails in bowling alley. I assume these pictures are self-evident. The guiding training wheels stop you from falling off when you are learning to ride bicycle. And when you are new, very new for kids, especially when they are new to bowling alley, the guide rails help. They guide rails help keep the ball in one direction without going into gutters and hit the pins all the time. So with automated trade management, the software makes you profitable. Now I just showed you the demo, and now this is something I wanted to show today, that in the 6-step process of a Sliver Bullet trading system, the step number 4 was to pass the evaluation. So when we pass evaluation, the funding account providers will send you certificates. So I'm happy to say that we have received so far 5 certificates, passing 5 different evaluation accounts, and 2 of them happened just this week, and 1 happened last week. So in last 10 days, we passed 3 evaluation accounts. So the first evaluation account took us longer. It took us 5 weeks. The second one took us 4 weeks. Then we started to pass multiple evaluation accounts simultaneously. So in last uh, 4 weeks, we passed 3 evaluations. So is something. So this is how we build our portfolio of funded accounts. And imagine real estate. If you have a real estate uh, business, you you know you after acquiring one rental property, you acquire one more and then acquire one more, so you manage multiple properties at the same time. So that's how you build uh, funded accounts, a portfolio of funded accounts, and trade them simultaneously and generate money. Now, the best part of the presentation, the pricing, how you can get the software. There are two versions of the software. One is Sliver Bullet Lite and one is Sliver Bullet Pro. Um, so Sliver Bullet Pro comes with three ATMs, three buttons that you saw on the user interface of the software. Whereas the Lite version comes with only one ATM, only one strategy. Whereas Sliver Bullet has Pro has four strategies. In fact, it has five strategies, including the default one. The Pro version gives you automated scaling, while Lite version gives you only manual scaling. The Pro version allows aggressive mode, while the Lite version allows you to trade only defensive mode. So today we traded aggressive mode. So I will explain the difference between aggressive and defensive mode in some other training, but today I just keep it there. And you get a training handbook and 2 months of training and support to teach you how to trade. So it includes 4 weekly sessions uh, to train you on market conditions and the software. And following 4 weekends, you will be on support via email to answer any questions. But we have some special going on for February. We have 30% off. So Pro version you can get for $3,780, whereas we have only 10% discount on the Lite version. So it would be $3,240. Uh, it includes 2 months of access to Sliver Trades Academy, where you can learn and watch videos of training and see how to trade. And then there is a weekly group training also, same as um, um, that I explained in the previous slide, that there will be 4 weekly trainings and 1 month of support uh, following that. But we offer Sliver lining offer, which is only valid today. That is, February 24th. If you decide to go with the purchase today, we give you a discount on your $50, 50K 1,000 evaluation account. In fact, I am going to say we are going to give you more than 70% discount. I think we are running a promo of 80% discount. We'll give you that account for evaluation. Which how it works is this evaluation account gives you a drawdown of $2,500, and it asks you to make a profit of $3,000. So without making a loss of 2,500, if you make a profit of $3,000, the account gets funded. So here, as a Sliver lining promo, we are also offering a one lifeline. So if you fail the promo, what we will do is we will give you next month's subscription. We'll pay for next month's subscription. So as I mentioned earlier, these accounts are subscription based. It's a very nominal subscription. So after discount, you will get the 50K account for maybe $20, 20, $25. So not very expensive. So this is how you acquire trader funding. And Sliver Bullet Pro software helps you pass those evaluations faster. Just to show you what we are doing as of yesterday, these are the different accounts we are trading. We have been trading to pass evaluation. They are in different stage, and this is the profit that we have generated. So I don't mean to show you only the rosy pictures. Yesterday was a good day. We made a profit of about $1,700 or $1,800 across accounts. But day before yesterday was a really bad day. It was market went in one direction, and we got caught in that market. But you know what? We trade such a way that we don't lose our accounts. So we did not lose our accounts. We stay conservative. We have a certain loss parameters in that we use for trading. So the goal is not to hit the max drawdown. The goal is to mm, catch up and pass the evaluation. So not all trades days are profitable. Some days are unprofitable also. But overall, we have been consistently passing evaluations and building a portfolio of funded accounts. So this is something. And in fact, I would like to show you the example of why I said yesterday that earlier today that we don't trade like to trade uh, market condition 4, because we don't know which direction it could break out, and breakouts often fail. And one classic example of this is something I want to show you, so you can learn from something out of this training today. Let me see if I can show it in ES. Um, Let me NQ. Let me show it here. Yeah, I can show you here. So it happened on Thursday. Thursday, um, Thursday when it happened. Just a minute, I'm trying to find that market. Um, Actually, I'm bit. It was a very good pattern, that I want to show you so you can avoid those patterns. Come on. It's sliding very slowly here. 9, 10. And I'm sorry, I'm not able to find that pattern. It was beautiful, actually. I will see if I can find a screenshot and send it to you all, guys. But regardless, that learning will be for some other day then. Um, so coming back to the presentation, yes, if you are interested, feel free to drop an email, or you can go to our website and remember to enter the launch, the discount codes to get the discounts. So launch 10 for Sliver Bullet Lite and launch 30 for Sliver Bullet Pro. These are the discount codes to get discount, 30% discount. And remember, this discount is valid only for February. We might increase the price in March. We haven't decided that yet. But special Sliver launch Sliver lining promo, if you want to avail to get some extra benefits, you have to decide today. If you have any questions, send us an email, or uh, uh, you know call us. Number is 331-255-3656, or email is info@slivertrades.com. So before I take Q&A session, I want to show you the website that you had to go to. So this is the website, slivertrades.com. Here you get a lot of information about our software, and you can purchase from here. And all our customers have taken pro version. Nobody has taken light version. Just for the comparison sake, we have shown both of them. And you guess if once you purchase, you get access to Sliver Trade Academy. So this is how you go and trade. Sorry, learn trading. I'm think I'm hungry now. So this is the portal for trading education. So here different chapters, lessons are available. There are training videos as well. There are 4 of them inside it. We keep adding, keep improving this portal, so you are better equipped to do the training. So thank you for being here today. I took longer than usual, but I will take any questions that you may have. So feel free to type in your questions in the chat box. Yes, so Sliver, the question is if there is any trial. No, we don't offer any trial. You can watch our videos which are on YouTube. Look for Sliver Trades YouTube channel. You can find a link to that channel on our website as well. Watch our videos, call us, email us. We'll answer all your questions. The license is it's license based. You get license for 1 machine. We install it on your machine, and the license is lifetime license, even though there is annual maintenance at a very nominal fee, very nominal. So if you are making profits, that the license maintenance fee is very nominal. So you can read all the um, uh, agreement online when you are about to make a purchase. So when you click buy now button, so here you see the agreement. You can review the agreement, and after you make the purchase, you'll also sign the agreement electronically. So and in all the details are available in this document. So hope that answers your questions. We don't offer any trial at this time. The difference between Sliver Bullet Pro and Lite are mentioned here. So Lite is just light. You can still make living out of it. It has everything in it. It just Pro gives you more power, more flexibility, more options. Yeah, difference at this moment is only $500. So you rather go with Pro version. Your training will be one-on-one training in person. I will provide a white glove installation of the software on your machine, and first 4 weeks in 4 weekly sessions we'll have a training for you all. It will be a group training, and you'll also have access to Sliver Trades Academy, so you can familiarize with different strategies and different market conditions. So we have important lessons like market conditions to avoid, trading cheat sheet. All this give you Sliver Trades laws. You can watch some free previews as well of certain lessons. So I guess you'll have to sign up, and once you sign up, you get to see free preview of. So I don't see any other questions. So thank you very much for joining today. It was a pleasure giving you this, showing you this wonderful software that we developed. It took us 4 years 4 years to develop. It is I can show you the timeline of when we started and things like that in other meeting. But today we are out of meetings, so I will not go to the history of this, how we developed this software, and we launched it 2 months ago. So I will leave the screen here, and I will turn off the webinar in a couple of minutes. So thank you again. Have a good weekend. Bye now.